Alright, I want to do a quick video about our vermicompost bin. At the beginning of the year we were trying to think of ways that we could cut back on how much trash we create, how much waste we contribute to the system, and so we're trying to compost more. We've got piles of compost, leaf compost, as well as other just vegetable matter and whatnot in the yard. We've got a tumbler, and then at the beginning of this year we built this vermicomposter, and it's just a bin, a Home Depot bin, storage type bin, and you're putting your kitchen scraps along with some combination of, papery type products, so cardboard or rice hulls, something to kind of keep a good balance in there, not too mushy. You put all your material in there with red wiggler worms, and they eat through your material and produce worm castings, something you can buy at the store like this. However, if you've ever taken a look at this label down here, it does tell you it's not used for organic, and if I spin this around, it goes so far to say this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. So I prefer not to use that and instead do it myself. So what we did is we took out some of the material from the bottom. These kind of spin and let some of your material down. If you want to know how to build one of these, you can find it on YouTube. A guy from One Yard Revolution, Patrick Dolan, does a pretty good video showing you how to do it. And then I use this paint, the thing that goes on the side of the paint when you're using a roller, and I just took that material out and rubbed it along the top here, and then put stuff that was still too big and some of the worms back into the bin, and got kind of a fine material here that will go in the hole as I'm planting new stuff. So we're doing a lot of fall planting now, things that we want to put in for the fall garden and into the hoop house. Getting a lot of that stuff started now under some shade cloth. So we'll add this into the soil and kind of give it a nice little boost of nitrogen and just good organic matter to be in the hole with it there. So just a quick video on our worm bin, and so far so good. It stays in the garage. Haven't had any real problems with it. It does leak a little bit out of the bottom. Sometimes some nasty gunk kind of comes out, so I've put this other thing down here to kind of keep it from happening, keeping it from doing that. But otherwise it's pretty awesome.